What's up YouTube? Today I have an awesome Samsung project to show you guys. Did I say project? What's up YouTube? Today I have an awesome Samsung gadget to show you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the gadget I have here. Yes, it is an adapter. Nothing too crazy, but it's really useful. Let me just tell you what I mean. So it says here superior 4K viewing experience. It's a HDMI adapter. USB Type-C to HDMI. Let me explain that more detail. First, let's unbox this. Real simple. Yup, that is your piece. Now all of you would be wondering, what is this and why should I buy it? It's really important. So all of us know Xbox and all those consoles, right? Well, they are 40,000, they are quite expensive. How about if I tell you, you can connect your phone to the TV using this and play any of your games by looking at the TV? Wouldn't that be sick as hell? And guess what guys, this is really much cheaper than an Xbox, obviously. So the best way to do it is buy a game controller for your mobile phone, connect it to your phone, use this HDMI cable and connect it to your TV and play all your sick games like PUBG, Modern Combat, Asphalt 9, everything on your TV. How cool will that be, right? First things first, this is a serious tip that all of you must listen to me. Look at the price.
Oh my god!
Yeah, you definitely did see that. And you will be wondering, this for 10,000 rupees? I can get a phone for that price. Well, let me tell you something. Please don't buy it from any other store cause 10,000 bucks, that's way too much. You must order it from Amazon. Let me show you how much it costs on Amazon. Hold on a second. Alright guys, I am in Samsung.com and this is the adapter you just saw in front of me, right? And guess the price.
Hey, that's pretty good.
50 pounds? That's awesome man. If you convert that to rupees, it's just around 4,000 rupees. Yeah, I guess so. And you won't believe me, I got it on Amazon for 2,000 rupees. 1/5 the price. Okay, I know what you're getting ready to say. Then why don't you show it from Amazon? I can't because of COVID-19, all the services are unavailable. So they don't even display the prices on any gadget. That's kind of a bummer. But anyways, on to the video. One more thing I forgot to tell you guys. This is a Samsung gadget, okay? So it's not going to work with any other phones like Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, you name it. It's only going to work with Samsung devices and that too with USB Type-C, which is now the latest charging cable, USB Type-C cables. So you must have a USB Type-C phone or else you will not be able to connect it. For example, Note phone like an S6 or anything else, nope, you just wasted all your money. And also guys, I'll just go through what it shows in the box just for the sake of it. Yeah, so here it says HDMI, Samsung adapter, blah blah blah, Supreme 4K resolution up to UHD TV, that is 4K guys, 3820 or 3840 60 fps, that is 4K resolution, means you're talking about sick gameplay. Now I want to tell you one more thing. You just saw this, right? Yeah. All of you are going to be ready to say, why should I spend my money on this when I can just smart view it on my TV? Yes, okay, let me tell you something. Smart view quality is trash, okay? It sucks. You cannot look at the TV and play any games because it's so horrible. It's like 10 FPS. You can't even believe that. And not everybody has a Google TV. Not everybody has a smart TV. Not everybody has a TV that connects to the Wi-Fi. Then how will you be able to screencast it? If you don't have a smart TV, then you cannot screencast. Only when you have a smart TV where you can screencast it. Screencasting sucks. I've already tried it out. I've tried out all these things before I even went and bought this. Then what's the point? So don't screencast guys. It's trash. Believe me, it's trash. This thing is awesome here. I will be showing you how to do it and an awesome gameplay of my favorite game, Modern Combat 5. So let's go. Alright, look at this. I have connected my phone to the TV. Just check out that quality. So you also need a HDMI to HDMI cable, one for the TV, one for your phone. Okay, so let me just take you on a tour. So the cable goes all the way there, and that's my phone. Okay, here's the adapter, here's the HDMI cable. I'll also be using my webcam, which is already turned on, as I told you, which is connected to my laptop. Turn on some good old AC and play your games like a boss.